Okay, I'm just going to be doing a really short video on a Dierya mechanical keyboard. It's Bluetooth, it's 60%. I got the brown switches. These are my favorite because they're kind of quiet, and they still have that taptic feedback, so you can like it is RGB, so if you do FM, what's this? Oh. The reason why it's doing that is because it's like in parent mode. I really like it. It's worth a buy. I have the cable right here to go in my Xbox. I got some new lights because the other one's disconnected for some reason. One of my favorite is smooth. I like it. Might get a new mouse, but I'm not sure. But yeah, if you were to get a mechanical keyboard, I get brown, but it's kind of on personal preference. And then they have like these little lights. It feels really good, but some people like that, but I don't. But yeah, this is my super quick review on this keyboard.